Hi, this is a quick tutorial about how to link assignments, modules, discussions, etc. to items on your home page or any other page in Canvas. Oops. So that's that's how a link works. Anyway, so here is my page. I'm going to click Edit. And then, for example, for my class, I have a button here, this picture that serves as the link to my module. So I'm going to click on the item. I'm going to go over here to this menu on the right hand side. I'm going to click Modules. And then I'm just going to click on which module I want this to link to. And I'll see the color change. And then that has now become a link to a module. And then I can click Save. Now on another page that I have, I can show you how I link a discussion. It uses the same format, but I know sometimes to see something more than once helps. So on this page, I need to link it to a discussion that I have in my redirect bar over here for students to get help. So I'm going to scroll down and find that spot, see where it says get help here. I'm going to select these words, go over here to the right hand side, click on discussions, and I'm going to link it there. Okay, so in that way I can link any item, could be a word, could be an image, to a product or piece in my Canvas page to make easy page navigation. You can see afterwards the words will be in blue. The images don't change how they look, and sometimes students need help with knowing that that is a button because it's not always obvious. Hope this helps you.